A Late Good Night by Robert F. Murray. Read for LibriVox.org by Bruce Kachuk. My lamp is out, my task is done, and up the stair with lingering feet I climb. The staircase clock strikes 1. Good night, my love. Good night, my sweet. My solitary room I gain. A single star makes incomplete the blackness of the window pane. Good night, my love. Good night, my sweet. Dim and more dim its sparkle grows, and ere my head the pillows meet, my lids are fain themselves to close. Good night, my love. Good night, my sweet. My lips no other words can say, but still they murmur and repeat to you who slumber far away. Good night, my love. Good night, my sweet.